Ever had the situation where you've sent an email only to think you forgot to add an additional attachment, or maybe you would have been better adding in some additional information? Well, usually when you send an email in Outlook, it sits in the outbox for a moment or two and then pops out. You can actually set up Outlook so it delays the sending. Now, the benefit of this is if you forget something or you want to add it in, or you realize you've actually sent the email to the wrong person, you can quickly retrieve it, unlike the recall, which tends to be a little bit more clunky and makes it a bit more obvious to the receiver that there's something in there that perhaps you didn't want them to see. So let's have a look at how we can delay message sending. We need to go to File, down the bottom to Options. And from here we're going to the Advanced tab. If we scroll down the bottom here, we find Send and Receive. If we click that option, now from here you can click to schedule an automatic send and receive based upon a certain number of minutes. I have mine set to 30 minutes. You could set it to 10 minutes, 5 minutes. Now, look, at any point in time, you can click the send and receive icon, or you can press F9 if you're on a desktop. If you're on a laptop, you may need to use the function key, usually to the left of the space bar. So once you've done this, you click Close, you click OK, and next time you open up Outlook, so you need to close it down and reopen it for those settings to take place, what you'll find now is your email messages that you send will sit in your outbox for a period of 30 minutes, 10 minutes, whatever you set, but at any point in time you can force it to send by clicking the Send, Receive, or Folders icon, or pressing the F9 key on the keyboard. So that's a great way of just checking in if you've forgotten to send an additional attachment, or maybe you've accidentally chosen the wrong person to send the email to, or you need to make some changes.